Hello, welcome back to Single Black Vegan, the channel where I talk about all things vegan. Okay, not all things, because I have a little bit about wig reviews, a little bit about makeup. Sometimes I am doing recipes. Sometimes it's health and wellness. Listen, it just depends on what I feel like talking about. But today, I am going to be sharing with you my top 5 flavors of my favorite kombucha, which is GT's. That's GT's. That's the name of it. They have, in my opinion, the best flavor as far as kombuchas are concerned. So you may be asking, what the heck is kombucha? Well, I'm going to tell you what it is. Pretty much kombucha is fermented tea. That's what it is. Fermented tea. This particular company, they don't use any artificial flavors or artificial colors. Everything that they use is natural and organic kombucha. It's got some really like great benefits to it. But let me just go ahead and show you what it says directly from GT's website.
Kombucha is a fermented tea passed down through centuries of Eastern tradition. For more than 2,000 years, people believe kombucha to have unique healing properties. To craft kombucha, a base of sweetened tea is cultured with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Over time, the SCOBY transforms the tea into a bright, tangy, and effervescent drink with billions of living probiotics that aid digestion, support gut health, and boost immune function.
I mean, it's a probiotic. So probiotics, what they do is keep your digestive system balanced. There are so many different reasons why our digestive system is unbalanced. A lot of it has to do with illness. It has to do with poor diet. It has to do with taking antibiotics. And just by the way, I am not a doctor. I'm not saying I'm a doctor or any of those things. Okay. Consult with your doctor before you go and try kombucha. Okay. Now, what I will tell you about kombucha is if you decide that you want to go out and buy you some kombucha and it's the very first time you've ever tried it, look at me and listen. Do not shake the bottle.
I repeat.
Do not shake the bottle. Okay? So let's just get right into my top 5. So coming in at number 5, Strawberry Serenity. I like Strawberry Serenity. Coming in number 4, Strawberry Lemonade. Strawberry Lemonade is sweet and sour. So if you like that combination, I think you'll like Strawberry Lemonade. Coming in at number 3 is Watermelon Wonder. This flavor is so good. So good. Coming in at number 2, it's the Divine Grape. Divine Grape seriously tastes just like a grape soda. Let me tell you something about the Divine Grape. You see the bottle is darker. It's in like an amber colored bottle. Let me just give you a quick story of me buying this for the first time. So I am at the grocery store checking out, getting what I need, and they ring up everything and then she's like,
yeah, I need to see your ID.
I'm looking at the things that she scanned, look back at her, looking at the things, looking back at her, and I'm like, what do you mean you need to see my ID? I didn't get anything that I need to show ID for. And she said,
well, the kombucha is coming up that you have to be 21 and over.
I was like, what? So the amber bottles, like some of the kombucha has like a little bit of like alcohol. Just know if you pick up one of the amber bottles, they're gonna be asking you for your ID. Okay, so just be prepared for that. Don't be in shock like I was. Number 1 flavor. This flavor just came out very recently. Listen, Divine Grape was my number 1 for the longest time. And then here comes the new flavor just coming in like what? Peach Paradise. It's so good. If you've ever had the Peach Pop Knee High, that is what it tastes like to me. And for my grown people from back in the day, if you picked up a bottle of Boone's Farm Fuzzy Navel, I'm telling you, that's what it reminds me of. Anywho, all right, you guys, that's it. I just want to come on here really quick and tell y'all what my top 5 flavors for my favorite kombucha company, GT's, and that was it. The People's Champ is Peach Paradise. Absolutely amazing. All right, you guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, share this video. Go ahead and turn on those notifications so you know the next time I upload a video. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my video and sharing, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.
Hey, if you like this shirt that I had on in the video, you can get it from singleblackvegan.com.
All right, bye.